Belgium is a federal state located in Western Europe, bordering the North Sea. Belgium shares borders with France, Germany, Luxembourg and the Netherlands. Belgium comprises the regions of Flanders, Wallonia and Brussels. General information. Total renewable water resources 18.3 CUKM freshwater withdrawal, total 6.22 CUKM year per capita 589.8 CUM year. Natural hazards. Flooding is a threat in areas of reclaimed coastal land protected from the sea by concrete dikes. Geography. Note: crossroads of Western Europe. Majority of West European capitals within 1,000 kilometers of Brussels, which is the seat of both the EU and NATO. Longest distances 280 kilometers SH/NW, 222 kilometers NSW. Area. Belgium has an area of 30,528 square kilometers, with 16,844 square kilometers for Wallonia, 13,522 square kilometers for Flanders and 161 square kilometers for the Brussels capital region. By provinces, the area is distributed as such. Luxembourg, 4,440 square kilometers. Liège, 3,862 square kilometers. Hainaut, 3,786 square kilometers. Namur, 3,666 square kilometers. West Flanders, 3,144 square kilometers. East Flanders, 2,982 square kilometers. Antwerp, 2,867 square kilometers. Limburg, 2,422 square kilometers. Flemish Brabant, 2,106 square kilometers. Walloon Brabant, 1,091 square kilometers. To get the total area of Belgium, the surface of the Brussels capital region should be added to the list, since Brussels is not in any Belgian province anymore since the province of Brabant has been split. Belgium has also 3,462 square kilometers of sea territories in the North Sea. On the 29th of May 2000, 2,000 square meters were granted by the Netherlands to Belgium. Compared to other countries, Belgium is 1.5 times larger than Wales in the United Kingdom and about the size of Maryland in the United States. Belgium is actually used as an unusual unit of measurement in comparing country sizes. Physical geography. Belgium has three main geographical regions: the coastal plain in the northwest, the central plateau, and the Ardennes uplands in the southeast. The coastal plain consists mainly of sand dunes and polders. Polders are areas of land close to or below sea level that have been reclaimed from the sea, from which they are protected by dikes or, further inland, by fields that have been drained with canals. The second geographical region, the Central Plateau, lies further inland. This is a smooth, slowly rising area that has many fertile valleys and is irrigated by many waterways. Here one can also find rougher land, including caves and small gorges. The third geographical region, called the Ardennes, is more rugged than the first two. It is a thickly forested plateau, very rocky and not very good for farming, which extends into northern France and in Germany, where it is named Eifel. This is where much of Belgium's wildlife can be found. Belgium's highest point, the Signal de Bot range, is located in this region at only 694 meters. Belgium has relatively few natural lakes, and none of any great size. Notable natural regions include the Ardennes, Campine, and High Fens. Rivers and lakes. All of Belgium is drained into the North Sea, except the municipality of Montménis, which is drained by the Waas River into the English Channel. Three major rivers flow into the sea: the Scheldt, the Meuse and the Weser. Other rivers are the Rupel, Seine, Sambre, Les Auer, Les and Dila. The main lakes include the Lake Geneville, Lake Butgenbach, Lake Augier, Lake Gillespie, Lake Eupen and Lake Robertville. Artificial waterways. Belgium has also many artificial waterways or canals, among others the Brussels-Scheldt Maritime Canal, the Brussels-Charleroi Canal, the Canal du Centre and the Albert Canal. Climate. The Belgian climate, like most of northwest Europe, is maritime temperate, with significant precipitation in all seasons in January, and 18 degrees Celsius in July. The average precipitation is 65 mm in January, and 78 mm in July. Belgium usually has mild winters, but temperatures as low as -16 degrees Celsius have been registered, and summers are comfortably warm, but temperatures can occasionally rise as high as 30 degrees Celsius. Mountain and hills. Belgium's highest point is the Signal de Botrange at 694 meters above the sea level. Other hills in Belgium include the Kemmelberg and the Koppenberg, both known as being climbed by professional cyclists during the annual cycling road races of respectively Gent-Wevelgem and the Tour of Flanders. Extreme points. This is a list of the extreme points of Belgium, the points that are farther north, south, east, west, higher low than any other location. Northernmost Point, Drief, Municipality of Hoogstraten, Antwerp. Southernmost Point, Tournai, Municipality of Rouvroy, Luxembourg. Westernmost Point, De Pan, West Flanders. Easternmost Point, Kriewinkel, Municipality of Bullingen, Liege. Highest point, Signal de Botrange. Lowest point, De Moeren. The Belgian National Geographic Institute calculated that the central point of Belgium lies at coordinates 50.64111 degrees north, 4.66806 degrees east, 50.64111, 4.66806, in Nil St. Vincent St. Martin in the municipality of Walheim. Human geography. Demographics, political geography, environment. Because of its high population density and location in the center of Western Europe, Belgium faces serious environmental problems. A 2003 report suggested that the water in Belgium's rivers was of the lowest quality in Europe, and bottom of the 122 countries studied. The environment is exposed to intense pressures from human activities: urbanization, dense transportation network, industry, extensive animal breeding and crop cultivation. Air and water pollution also have repercussions for neighboring countries. Uncertainties regarding federal and regional responsibilities have slowed progress in tackling environmental challenges. Cities. The main cities in Belgium in terms of population are Brussels, Antwerp, Ghent, Charleroi and Liege. Other notable cities include Bruges, Namur, Leuven, Mons and Mechelen.